5 Mastercard World Elite benefits you need to know about. First off, I want to keep you hooked in this video so you can get a third night free with Hyatt, fourth night free with these special select hotels, $15 back a month with Lyft rides, a $10 Amazon credit, and a couple more things. Stick around until the end of the video because we're going to dive into each one and how you can get full value from your Mastercard World Elite credit card. Hang on though, if you could like this video and watch the whole thing, that would help me out because I'm trying to grow this channel and help more people get full value. First off, the Mastercard World Elite credit card is the highest tier of Mastercard. So there's the Mastercard Standard, then the Mastercard World, then the Mastercard World Elite. So being the top tier, of course, they're going to have an annual fee, and the annual fee for most of the credit cards are $90 or more. There is one Mastercard World Elite credit card with no annual fee, and if you're interested in getting it, that's the US Bank REI credit card. I don't have an affiliate link or anything. You could just go directly and sign up. I'll have details to a blog post listing everything you're going to learn from this video. There are actually not that many Mastercard World Elites out there, but I'm just going to read off a couple, and I have a full list that will be available in the description. Well, in a blog post listed in the description. So Bank of America has 2 of them, Barclays has 4, Capital One has 1 of them in their business section, Chase has 1 available Mastercard World Elite card, Citibank has 3, US Bank has 2. There could be more. As I was doing this research, it was actually hard to find out if a card is Mastercard World Elite or not. A lot of these banks, for some reason, don't like to advertise it. Mastercard benefits are based on what you buy, at least based on what the bank buys. So even though one Mastercard World Elite card is from one bank, those benefits might be different from the same type of card from another bank. So the bank has to choose what benefits they want from Mastercard. Since these promotions are by Mastercard itself, I think they're eligible to everybody, and I did a test on a couple of the features just to see what the price is and how I can sign up. For a majority of these offers, you have to sign up on the Mastercard website, and to do that, you have to first have a Mastercard World Elite credit card, input your credit card number, and sign up. The sign-up process took me less than 2 minutes to completely get everything going, and then I was in the Mastercard website and able to see all their specific offers and details. Now, with most of these credit cards, they do have a high annual fee, and it might be worth it. At least for me, most of these credit cards are worth it just for the first year, for the sign-up bonus, and then after a year, you get rid of them. So let's start off with the special promotions that are only available until the end of the year. 2 free months of Instacart. That is a $20 value because you get 2 free months, and if you're paying monthly, Instacart is $10 a month. With Instacart Express, you get free delivery on your orders of $35 or more. So there can be a lot of value there if you want your groceries or other things delivered without having to go outside. Lyft. This is how the Lyft bonus works. If you take 3 rides with Lyft, you get a $5 bonus. If you take a total of 5 rides in a calendar month, you get $15. Now, all of this is within the calendar month. I'm making this video in October, and it's available for 3 months, October, November, December. Amazon. After registering your Mastercard World Elite card with Amazon and Mastercard, after spending $25 with your Mastercard World Elite card, I hate saying it, you get $10 back if you spend that $25 with specific retailers as an Amazon credit. So pretty good. That is like a lot cash back. You spend $25, you get $10 back. That is a great deal. Another benefit that is ongoing that there's no time limit on is 5% off at Boxed. That is another place to get groceries and home goods. 5% off, pretty good. Now, here are the really good benefits. You can get a lot of great travel deals right now with your Mastercard, and I'm going to just list them out, then we'll dig into the details. With Hyatt, you get your third night free at select Hyatts in the United States. Yeah, third night free and more. There's a lot more. We'll get into that. Preferred hotels and resorts. Your fourth night is free. With the select list of available hotels through Mastercard, you can get your fourth night free. Complimentary hotel stay when booking a cruise with Mastercard. So this one's also only available to the end of the year. And if you go on a death cruise, I guess if you choose to, and you spend at least $3,000, if you spend at least $3,000 through Mastercard, you can get a hotel booking worth up to $250. It has to all be in the same transaction, and you can book a hotel that costs more than $250, but you'll be only credited for up to $250. And additionally, you get discounts on Yard House, Macy's, Olive Garden, HelloFresh, Longhorn Steakhouse, AARP, and many more. So it's worth it to look at the Mastercard offers page if you want to get some really good discounts. The Hyatt offer. Book 3 nights, pay for 2. Your third night is free when you use your Mastercard World Elite card when booking participating Hyatts in the United States. So this also applies to Hawaii, where you can still take a really good vacation. The booking benefits are really good because it's like having Hyatt status. You get complimentary breakfast for 2 daily, early check-in, late checkout, complimentary upgrades pending availability. I wouldn't expect a suite with Hyatt, but I would expect a bigger room than the standard. A hotel credit of $100. That means you get $100 to spend at the hotel for food, the spa, whatever you want. Free $100. And complimentary Wi-Fi. That's barely a benefit. Every hotel should have Wi-Fi. I think it's a crime if a hotel does not give you free Wi-Fi. And that's basically it. So I did a sample booking with the Mastercard travel platform for 3 nights at the Andaz Maui compared to Expedia when I made the booking. 3 nights at the Andaz Maui, $2,600 on Expedia, $1,800 with the Mastercard travel program. Now, this is a list of participating Hyatt locations in the United States where you'll be eligible to use the third night free with your Mastercard World Elite. So to use the Mastercard travel program, you need to have a Mastercard. And I don't know if there are different benefits if you're a World Elite member, but from my sample bookings, I noticed that the hotel bookings are actually cheaper on the Mastercard website. Potentially, this could be due to it being Mastercard. Typically, there is a merchant fee of about 3% whenever you're doing a credit card transaction. Since Mastercard is the source of credit cards and they handle all the merchant fees, they're giving you a small discount. I tested this with a sample hotel booking for the W Taipei. And as you can see, it's $276.09 for 1 night at the W Taipei using Mastercard. While using Agoda, the price is $281.56, a savings of $5.57. So it's a small thing to do to sign up for the Mastercard program, just because you're going to save around 2% in fees. I don't know if this is true for everything. I did a small sample, and that's what it looks like to be the case. So I highly recommend, if you are going to do any type of travel and you're going to risk it anyway, look at the Mastercard program. I kind of assumed that Mastercard would not have a great travel site and that the fees would be higher than the online travel agencies, the OTAs, the Expedia, Agoda, Hotels.com, Priceline, anything like that. In my experience from using US Bank's travel program and American Express, that the hotels are typically the same price or more when compared to the online travel agencies. So I was very surprised to see that bookings are actually cheaper when you use Mastercard, or the Mastercard travel platform. Check out the description so you can find out more about Mastercard World Elite cards and the available credit cards you can get along with the bonus and annual fees. Everything you need to know in one place. All right, yeah, that's it. Thanks.